Hello, I'm an old guy and I do maths, and you can see the task set out in front of us. We're going to find the exact value of each of these, the sine, the tangent, and the cosine of 11 pi on 6, which is 330 degrees. The conversion is really easy. Once you realize that pi on 6 is 30 degrees, 11 of those, 11 threes, 33, gives us 330 degrees. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to find the exact value of pi on 6. Now this might seem slightly counterintuitive, but it's what we're going to do. So 1 root 3, this should be a familiar triangle, and this angle up here is pi on 6, 30 degrees. And so we'll just make a note down here, sine, cos, and tan of that value. So the tangent of 30 degrees, pi on 6, is the opposite over the adjacent. So that is 1 on root 3. The cosine is the adjacent over the hypotenuse. So root 3 on 2. And the sine is 1 over the opposite, 1 over 2. So these are our values, just for handy reference. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to do a very rough drawing of the unit circle here. Extremely rough, it looks more like the unit egg. And what we're looking for is down here. This is 11 pi on 6, or 330 degrees, and we work around this way. And the angle that we're interested in is in here. This is pi on 6. The way in which we do this is that we always work from the nearest x-axis to the point on the unit circle that we're looking for. So although 330 degrees is all the way around here, the angle that we're looking for is the remainder when you take 11 pi on 6 away from 2 pi, which is pi on 6, or 30 degrees. So we've located the thing that we're interested in. That's important because we need to know whether or not we're going to be dealing with positive or negative values of these. Now, sines, cosines, and tangents are positive here. Sines are positive here. Tangents are positive here. Cosines are positive here. So we can very quickly say that the cosine, the exact value of the cosine of 11 pi on 6 is equal to the cosine of pi on 6, the positive cosine of pi on 6, which is root 3 on 2. That's the easy one. Okay. Now, the tangent of pi on 6 we worked out was 1 on root 3. Tangents are negative here, so the tangent of 11 pi on 6 is going to equal negative 1 on root 3. The last one, the sine. Sines are positive here and here, negative here and negative here. The sine of 30 degrees, pi on 6, we discovered was 1 over 2. So we work again as usual from the nearest x-axis. That's why we're looking for the sine of 30 degrees. And the exact value of that is 1/2, but because it's in this quadrant, it's negative, so it's negative 1/2. And if I can find my calculator, which I can't, so we'll have to dispense with that. Maybe it's a job for you. Get out your calculator. This one's a very easy one to check because it will come up as a decimal. If you're fortunate enough to have a calculator that deals in surds, you can check all of these, but they're correct, and this is how you do it. Okay, thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.